Hello everyone. So here I'm presenting my recipe tracking website as a final project on CS50 course. So we'll start with the landing page. Here we have two sections with search. One of this is search for recipes and the second one is for products. So we can actually type something or click on one of the suggested items and the same with search products. So like that. Then we have this section which provides a randomly generated recipes. And we can, for example, refresh the page and it will randomly generate. Here is authentication section which provides redirecting to authentication page in case of credentials login, and in case of register with providers like Google or GitHub, it signs up me directly. So as we can see, this button is disabled until we type something, so let's just do this. I will sign up with email in my case. And we see that path name has changed with according params. What this website do here is extracting search params as initial values of the form information and applies it. So let's just sign up. Success! Here is our user profile page. Main functionality here is editing data and displaying user favorites. Let's test with avatar editing first. I click on done, but also don't forget to click on save. Let's test removing the avatar. Pretty good this far. While page is loading, we also have specific layout. Finally, let's see the main idea of the project. Page is loaded, it means that we extracted data and rendered the page successfully. As we didn't type any specific query, we have some random recipes on our page. Let's type something. And again, our path name has been updated. Recipes have been successfully updated with that query. Here are some pretty transitions. Fortunately, you can customize your search even more with custom filters, and that's really cool and useful. But unfortunately, my recording app didn't capture the select options. But I'm searching Mexican milkshake recipes. The database is so broad that you can actually find a Mexican milkshake. And what is really cool is that when you are customizing your search with filters, it immediately updates the path name and page itself. Gives you the specific database response according to your parameters. So let's just reset these filters. And again, we see most popular milkshakes like earlier. You probably won't be surprised if I say that each recipe has its own page with additional information about recipe. Beautiful header with general info about recipe. Also, you can add this recipe to your fravs or remove. Below we have ingredients, cautions, calories, calculator, burning time and nutrients table. Calculator interactions, burning time info, and nutrients table. Let's add some more recipes to our favorites and then check it in profile page. We should have now 2 favorite recipes in profile. Perfect! Products page is the same by functionality, but just with another API info. I made my website responsive actually. Here are some examples. So here is my final project. This was CS50.